Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting all of your posts on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be pretty similar on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the user icon at the bottom of the home page to get to your profile page. If you're on Android, it will be at the top of the page. On your profile page, tap on the three dots button to the right of the Add Story button. Then tap on Activity Log. At the top of the Activity Log page, tap on Manage Activity. Then tap on Your Posts. To select all of your posts, select the checkbox to the left of all in the top left of the page. Next, tap on Recycle Bin in the bottom right. Posts that you move to the recycle bin will be deleted after 30 days. Select Move to Recycle Bin. You can view your recycling bin by tapping Recycle Bin at the top of the page. If you would like to restore a post that you have deleted, then you can select the post and tap Restore at the bottom of the page, and then tap Restore again on the pop-up. You also have the option to archive your posts instead of deleting them. To do this, select all the posts in the top left, and then tap on Archive in the bottom left. To get to your archived posts, tap on Archive at the top of the page. Moving posts to your archive will hide them from your profile, but they will not be deleted. So if you ever decide that you want them to be public again, you can simply unarchive them by selecting them and then tapping Restore in the bottom left. Then tapping Restore again on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.